Hey, hello, dentist or dental clinic owner. Welcome to another value added video for you. And with this video, you are going to get so much of value. Stay tuned. And this video is going to be maybe a little longer because I'm going to cover many things. And what we're going to learn here is that how to get a well qualified dental implant patients for your clinic and for your practice. So stay tuned here, and I'm going to give all the details here. Before we move forward, if you're watching first time my video, myself Inayyat, the founder, Go Systemizer Consultancy Service, and a dental growth engine, a platform or a framework and a complete set for the only dentist where we are talking about everything about dental practice, how you can grow, how you can get the patient, and marketing stuff. Everything is here. Okay, so if you're someone looking the experts help, yes, you can watch this video and you can implement. But still further, if you want our help, yes, of course, you can reach out. And after watching this video, don't forget to download your free gift where I am giving the three gifts. One is that every ad checklist and your clinic growth checklist, and another one is that so how you can optimize your clinic through the Google My Business. All the checklist is available in the description. Go through and use that. Okay, now let's go to I'm going to share my screen, and here I listed down that what I'm going to teach you and everything. So a step-by-step guide how to get a dental implant of patient through a Facebook or Meta ads. So first step, what you're going to do is that crafting your winning offer by conducting a competitor analysis and by using the AI. So let's go to the competitor analysis. How we can do the competitor analysis? So for that, we are using the Facebook ad library. Here, just I opened. And what you need to do here that once you go to the Facebook ad library, so you need to go to first you need to select the country where you are doing, or maybe a place or city where you are going to run that. Let's say, for example, if you are from Mumbai, yes, you can select the Mumbai and select this ad and type a dental implanter and go to the search. Where after that you will be getting the many ads who's the people who are already running, and you get the inspiration and you get the kind of insight what offers they are doing, what they are doing, and how you can implement in different way. And this is very crucial for you because you can after watching this the competitor analysis, getting the data, you can craft yourself and you can become a differentiator, and that can be your unique selling proposition here. Okay, so now dentist, if you see this here, right, let's say for example, oh story, someone is here showing that they ad, and you see that of course this is in Hindi, but you see the single now get a single dental implant at just triple four double nine double nine. It's around 10,000 rupees INR. And if you see that another ad, and let's go to the English where they are mentioning think about getting a dental implant. Look no further at Dr. Some XYZ, they given, okay, they are given the contact number. And see, go through that, what offer they are giving and how they are crafting this, the ad copy, you can say, and you can come to know that competitors, how much they are charging and everything you can see here. After doing this, what you need to do that, go through that and note down all the things and craft yours offer and add copy, add creatives, and everything you can get the inspiration from here. Okay, so here if you see that again one more that Ortho Square, they are also dental implant and double nine double nine is around 10,000 rupees. Okay, so this is how you can do the competitor analysis one way. And another way is that go to the AI tool. That is what I'm using here is the ChatGPT, where you need to give the prompt where ChatGPT can work in the free. You need not to pay anything for this. So what I'm giving the prompt to the AI ChatGPT is that, hey ChatGPT, I'm a dentist in India's metro city. You can even type your metro city because I don't want to go to the specific metro city. So I written as that I'm practicing dentistry in my own dental clinic. I want patient for dental implant treatment. I'm running a Facebook ads to get a patient. Help me to get right patients and how to target, who to target. Make sure that audience is ready to pay for dental implant treatment. This is my prompt where I'm getting the some insight, some learning or some output data from the AI ChatGPT. You see that how detailed ChatGPT given the detail who to get target ideal audience for the dental implanter. These are the audience. So it's not that you entirely copy paste this. You need to just need to look into that what you can take data from here and that you implement. Let's say for example the primary audience what ChatGPT is telling that age group 35 to 65 may be right, or maybe you can go from 30 to 60 or 65 whatever. The location 10 to 15 kilometer. Maybe if you are small city and tier 2 city, that's okay. But if you are in the metro cities, 10 to 15 kilometers more. I think 5 to 6 kilometers is okay. And he is given that marital status, married or widows. I think this may not be required. Anyone can be for here. Anyone can in the sense married or married, or that doesn't matter here, right? So income bracket, upper middle classes, affluent, target via interest and behavior. Professions, maybe NRIs, working professionals, retail professional, corporate executives, right? This could be your the target audience. So detailed Facebook targeting based on the demographics and behaviors. Again, it's given the same thing. And if you see the behavior, the engaged shoppers and frequent travelers, all the things will comes under here. Interest may be dental implant or dental care, cosmetic dentistry, oral health. And note this may not be available directly in the Facebook ad targeting. You need to go with the interest which is available, and when you are searching, the interest appears in the Facebook. Okay. So now again, there is a live event recently moved, or anniversary, or engaged, and maybe going to married in maybe a couple of months. They may be more cautious about their cosmetic. They can get it if they missing teeth or some problem with their teeth. Right? Again, you can target based on the kind of interest, where people are traveling frequently, international travels, or having the what you can say, that high-end gadget, maybe iPhone users, or maybe high-end cars users, right? Because they have the money. And yeah, these are the things you need to keep in mind. And again, it's given the ad copy and everything. You can even go through all these things. You can, let's say, one ad copy, I'll go through that. Do you have a missing teeth or loose dentures? Imagine Shiving's smiling and living confidently again in just a few weeks, because it is kind of pain-based ad copy. Advanced painless dental implant, expert implantologist with a 10 plus years experience. You can add EMI options are available. Pick one, book a free one-to-one consultation worth 1,500 rupees today. How great this ad copy, right? So these are the way, what we did. Okay. So now let's go to the our thing. Let's say we use the ChatGPT, we used AI, and diversify. Your fourth step is diversify your marketplace. Let's say stand out with the creatives, stand out with the offers, social proof, expertise, automated follow-ups, landing pages, and booking system. Let's say your Facebook ads are just attention grabbers and click makers. Your ad, the work of your ad is that getting the clicks. The rest of the things is that you need to have the backend system where you are educating the people and following up, automatically sending maybe email, WhatsApp, SMS. Okay, and your maybe your friend end is calling, and when they call, your maybe your friend end is going to the discuss with them, and all these things you should have the backend system. Otherwise, the you are going to waste money on the ads. And step five, creatives plays an 80 to 85% of role in Facebook ads. Let's say, because it is the friend, right? Someone is see the image, and he or she will come to know that what is your offer and what is going to help them. That's the thing, right? So you need to create the very compelling, very attractive and precise ad creatives. When I say the ad creatives, it may be the static image, or maybe it's a video. When you're doing the video may be less than 2 minutes, and you need to cover everything in precisely. Okay, so let's say creatives are everything when you're advertising on Meta. Why? Because your creatives will tell the most things you want to explain to your audience. Let's say how to craft the winning creatives. Educational or informative videos or static image. Let's say you need to educate the people. Let's say, for example, someone is missing the tooth or maybe teeth, where you need to educate them. Let's say if you don't fix that, what is going to be happen and what are the consequences? And in that manner, if you start explaining the to your audience, right, they will get the attention, and they may probably sign up or maybe come for your clinic for your treatment, right? Next, personalized videos, image. I think when I say the personalized image and videos, let's say don't ever use the stock images or videos which is available over the internet. Take your own photos, take your patient photos with the, of course, with the consent of the patient, and you maybe make those as ad creatives or maybe videos, and your friend does when you are doing the procedure. Take those videos, and all those things you need to put it into the your ad creatives, and same can be used for the social media posting. Okay, and for I think this is the sixth step where you need to have the backend system. That's what I told you, that without backend system, if you are running the ad and you are losing the money. Let's say even the people fill the form. How many people call you, or maybe when you get their phone number, how many people your friend is going to call? It's not efficient way, right? You should have the automated system on top of your friend desk. So then only your ads going to work out. Okay, now let's say I created just a one the what is it, the reference ad creative that is static. This is anyhow, this is the static image. I don't want you to be using, because I'm not a dentist or doctor. I don't want to use my image. When you are using your image, you can put it your photo, or your photo with your patient, or your photo when you are doing some practice. All right, all those photos make people grab the attention, and it makes sense as well for the people. If you see that what I added here, that missing a teeth, this can steal your beautiful smile and face. Fix it now. The painless dental implant at an affordable prices. Just get an offer. And your name, and maybe your maybe let's say for example, you did dentistry, or maybe studied in UK, dentist, the expert, 10 plus years experience dentist from UK. Well, that's good enough. Now what you need to do, you need to download this, and you need to add into the Facebook. Okay, now let's move to the Facebook. I'll go to I opened it here. So I'll not start from the beginning. Here, say this is the campaign level where you need to decide that what type of campaign, and most importantly, what you need to select here is that the type of campaign is that the lead generation campaign. So here many types of campaigns are there. So how I came here, just if I go back here, you see that if you click on here, there is an ad manager. From the ad manager, if you click on that, and we'll come to the campaign. And this campaign, you need to name the campaign. Let's say, for example, implant campaign. maybe you put the date, some whatever date you want. Okay, this is for reference. So you need to select the sorry, you need to select the leads. Once you select the leads, and don't touch anything here, you just click on the next, or maybe you can go here in the ad set. See here, three things in the ad. One is ad campaign label, then ad set and ad. Okay, in the ad set is the most important, where you are going to select the audience. Okay, so here when you come to the selection where you want to divert your traffic, or maybe the patients or leads, you can either send them to website. In the sense, I prefer you to use the landing page, or maybe the kind of lead form. But lead form is alone not going to help. There are a lot more work to be needed to do, because most of the leads just with the name and email may not be that much serious. And if you have the landing page, and if you have the customized lead form, that will be kind of, you are going to filter the unwanted leads. Let's see, it's not that more leads, it's about the qualified leads. Let's say 10 leads you are getting, and your front end is calling, and no one is interested. That doesn't make sense. And if you get at least maybe 2 to 3 leads which are coming to your clinic and for taking your treatment, right? That is how our goal should be. Okay, here performance goal is that let's go with the maximum number of conversion. That is how we need to do. And here the data set is now is kind of pixel. You can choose. And now what I want to focus is more here is that, okay, when you're going to add budget here, let's say there are two things. One, you can add the budget in the campaign level, or maybe in the ad set level. And here you need to select the date and time. And my focus is here that how you are going to select the audience, right? Let's say you are not running the whole ad for whole city or whole state or maybe country. This is not like that. This is yours is kind of local business, and it may be maybe up to 5 to 6 kilometers. Let's say, for example, I selected one of the location here in India, Indranagar, Bangalore, and maybe surrounding radius 6 to 6 kilometers. 5 to 6 kilometers is good enough when you are into the metro, or if you are into the tier two city, may can extend up to 10 kilometers. Again, it's based on the how traffic area and where you are situated. Many things will involve here. And here is the most important crucial thing is that age group. Selecting the age group, you can select maybe 30 to 65 or maybe 25. For me, if you ask me that, yes, I think 25 above to the 60 is a good age. Okay, and all genders. And here is the very, very important thing, that selecting the audience. And to be honest, this no one reveal in any of the YouTube video. And I try to get the insight, or maybe I try to find, is there anyone is revealing or displaying this, but nobody's doing this. Okay, but in today's era of marketing or the AI, it's, you cannot hide anything, but you can get in one and another source. So now come to the here that purchasing behavior is, I'll come to later. First thing is that I'll go with the interest base. Let's say, as I told, that in the Facebook ad, you cannot directly target the people like that. I need the dental implanter patient. I need the smile, or maybe the kind of toothache patient. I need the kind of crown related people, or maybe the braces related people. No, you can't find that. So what we need to go with that, what are the options available in the interest base we can give. Let's say, for example, smile body parts or maybe function. I mean, smile is the face, right? So that kind of is interest base. Oral B is one of the biggest brand that interest base, and oral health kind of toothbrush and toothpaste, and maybe kind of tooth what you can say liquids, mouthwashers, right? Those kind of things. Let's say we can target mouthwashers. So what will happen? The Facebook will try to target the audience who are more interested to related to teeth and dental related things. This is the interest base. Okay, and one more thing is that insurance, health insurance. Let's say people who are more on the health related or maybe health insurance, then they will also the Facebook will try to show those ads. And coming to the next behavior, that we are targeting only the people who are engaged in the shoppers. What does that mean? That means that the people who already purchased anything in the online, they paid, and they have the paying the intent of paying for further. That's the thing. And behavior, I just selected maybe few things. You can go further more, like a frequent traveler, IT employees, and also maybe you can go with the frequent international travelers, and the people who are using the high-end gadget, like say Mac, iPhone, and the people who are using the high-end vehicle, maybe Audi, BMW, or maybe kind of that. You can target all those things. And this is most crucial important. And next is that ad level. In the ad level, where it comes to the first thing is that you need to add the primary text is nothing but your ad copy, and then add creatives. Let's say we worked on the chat GPT, but never ever do these things, just copy and paste. You need to just refine, add your human touch, maybe remove some one or two words and make it efficient, and then use this ad copy. But right now, I'm just copy pasting here this just to save, and anyhow, this is to show you people, right? Okay. Let me go here, that ad copy Facebook. Okay, since this is one of the demo account, here I'm using create ad. Okay, format single destination, add creatives, and let's say image ad. And then I think, say I have not selected that ad image. I'll go with maybe okay, something which is available. I'm using that is anyhow related to dental itself. Next, go. And there are things you need to take care of the sizes here, but right now I'm moving as it is. because Facebook will ask three types of the static images where we should be aware of that and make use of that. Okay, I think what is happening? Yeah. So here you see that I added the okay, I don't know why it came here. Let's again go to the ad set. Okay, I added the this is what I'm calling that static image where you people are attracting the prospective patients. Okay, next so display link, ad creatives, and primary text. This is where you are going to be show your ad copy where you are. This is kind of offer. When you say that ad copy, this is an offer. Okay, so next there is a headline that will show here that let's say for example get get free free consultation worth maybe 800 rupees, right? And it is okay, free consultation. Okay, here, yeah. Okay, so now this is the way we added ad copy and we added headline. And let's say someone is clicking on this ad, they will go to maybe lead form or maybe landing page based on what you set up. Okay. So now this is all the setup, but very most importantly is what we need to aware of here is that you need to have the backend system where you are the collecting the leads or maybe the patient details of prospective patients where your front end is calling or they are calling and you are messaging sending WhatsApp message in automatic way, and you are bringing the patients to your clinic. See, the job is not just getting the leads; it's the nurturing the leads until they visit. Not only until they visit. When let's say someone is visited and he or she may not be maybe ready for today or maybe in a week. But if you live like that, and you are losing that, and you're wasting money on the ads. You need to have the system where you need to nurturing them and reminding them and bringing back to them. Okay, so I hope this video gives you the complete the what again the framework how you can get the dental implant patient for your clinic or maybe dental practice. Okay, so yeah, if you are someone who are looking the what you can say the expert help or maybe you wanna partner with us to grow your business, yes, of course we can discuss, and if we both find the right fit, and then we can work together. Otherwise, no problem. And in the description there are two to three bonuses and download, and in the description also I have the calendar booking. And if you feel I'm the right person to work or maybe to discuss, at least you can book an appointment so that we can discuss. Okay, with that, take care and stay tuned. I'll be releasing one more video next week with some again value added. With that, take care.